Did you know the most powerful woman in medieval Europe was imprisoned by her own son for 16 years? Eleanor of Aquitaine ruled like no woman before her. She was Queen of France, then Queen of England. She controlled more land than most kings ever dreamed of. But power came with a price. When Eleanor married King Henry II of England, she thought she'd found her match. Together they ruled a massive empire stretching across Europe. Then Henry made a fatal mistake. He promised their sons their own kingdoms, but refused to give them real power. The boys were furious. And Eleanor? She chose her sons over her husband. In 1173, Eleanor helped her sons rebel against their father. It was the ultimate betrayal. Henry crushed the revolt and did the unthinkable. He captured his own wife and locked her away in castle after castle across England. For 16 long years, the former queen disappeared from history. But when Henry died in 1189, Eleanor emerged more powerful than ever. At 67, she became regent and ruled with an iron fist that would make kings tremble.